Greetings. The representative of Georgia at Eurovision 2023 will perform in the second semi-final. The Eurovision Song Contest 2023 will take place this year in the British city of Liverpool from 9 to the 13th of May. Georgian 76-year-old swimmer Heinrich Kuprashvili won 6 gold and 1 silver medal at the World Championship in winter swimming in Slovenia. In 2002, he swam across the Dardanelles, 12 kilometers with his hands tied, in 3 hours and 15 minutes. Georgia believes that air communication with the Russian Federation should be restored, but today it is not timely. Last year, the demand for housing in Georgia from Russians from Turkey increased 4.5 times compared to 2021. Last year, more than 700,000 Russians crossed the border into Georgia. Tbilisi City Hall will purchase Russian metro wagons from the Russian company Metrowagonmash, which won the tender for the purchase of wagons in 2021. Metrowagonmash is not under sanctions. On February 9, the repair of the Varkatili metro station will begin in Tbilisi, which will be completed in 18 months. In honor of the 90th anniversary of the birth of director Eldar Shengelaya, the screenings of his films began in Tbilisi. An extraordinary exhibition, Eccentrics, Blue Mountains and others. Filming of the film Conclave, Locked Room, has begun in Rome, in which Georgian actor Merab Ninidze also participates. The film takes place in the Vatican. Ninidze plays the role of one of the cardinals of the Vatican. Good luck to all of you.